Yizzo, what's up, YouTube? Y'all already know what it is. Out here for another blast. It's like 40 degrees, so we about to just hit the block, spin around the neighborhood a couple times. I'm at that little park I found, so just did a little creek trail type of ride. The bombmoto, it did all right out there. Probably need some better suspension, but it did good. I want that little bit kit so I can get, more better throttle response and all that. So once that come through, you know how we rocking. But I'll see y'all in a little bit. Oh, off road, take it off road. Oh, what's over here? Oh, we off road with it, ladies and gents. Oh, careful. Careful now. Oh, it's getting squirrely. It's getting squirrely. Oh, can't go nowhere. Oh, I missed the turn. Missed the trap. Oh! We getting it. See what's over here. Can we throw it on 12 back here? Oh, here we go. Not too shabby. Here we go. Lady, I see you. Go ahead and cross. Oh. Yeah, this is the best spot to wheelie at, where you gotta be forced to drop back. You know what I mean? You wanna be forced to drop back. You want to be forced to drop back. My hands is freezing. Jeez. Oh. Man, I can't wait to get that little bit kit. I'm telling you. I can't wait. It's just going to be a better ride. Like, this is straight off the muscle. You know what I mean? Whoever fucking toot the bike. Didn't really do a good job, but you drop it back there. Drop it back there. Yeah, man, I think I'm about to put it up. Just came off for a quick blast. Get some footage. You know what I mean? Footage ain't never hurt nobody. So I think I'm about to just head back, man. Yeah, we gonna head back. So, like I said, man, thanks for watching. I appreciate Let me start over again. I appreciate y'all for watching. Like and subscribe, man. I'll holler at y'all.